These are 3 pieces of gear that I bring with me whenever I go outside, whether it's urban fishing, like right here, in the mountains backpacking, or in the winter ski touring. I bring some version of each one. They are the non-negotiables. First up is some kind of rain shell. You just never know if the weather's gonna change on you, whether it gets colder or it starts raining. A shell can really make the difference when you're outside. And there's so many versions that are really packable and lightweight. Depending what I'm doing, I might go more on the packable and lightweight or more on durable. This is a really, really lightweight shell by a company called First Light. It weighs under 6 ounces. Now, obviously, you're not getting everything out of it that you would with a big, bulky 3-layer Gore-Tex style of jacket from Arc'teryx, but it's really light. It packs down absolutely tiny, and I can carry it in this little fishing sling bag or in a running pack. It'll get the job done and it'll get me out of trouble. I've learned my lesson too many times looking at the forecast and then regretting not having one with me. So a rain shell is an absolute must-have. It can make the difference between having a good day outside and it turning very, very bad very fast. Number 2 is some kind of light. When a trip just goes a little bit longer than you're expecting, having a dedicated, real quality light that you know is charged, ready to go, and that you can rely on really makes the difference. There's so many good lights now. I'm a big fan of the Phoenix lights. I use a Phoenix headlamp, and generally speaking, I have the same one with me all the time. I do have some that I just leave in different packs. This is a Phoenix PD25R. It's USB-C rechargeable, so it has a little port hidden on the side that you can charge from, has multiple lighting modes. It's a great little powerhouse. This one I just leave in my sling vest for when I'm out fishing, and then I just know that it's always there. I'm sure that there's people out there that have called for rescues when if they had had a light with them, they would have just been able to hike out, no problem. If you do end up stuck outside for the night, let me tell you, having a light would make the difference. It would be very spooky to be outside without light. Number 3 is some kind of tool. If I'm out doing something that's more equipment intensive, I'll have some kind of multi-tool. This is a Leatherman Skeletool CX. I've been using this year and I actually really like it. I've used so many different models and brands of multi-tools. This is a great little one. It's got a nice set of pliers, got exchangeable bits, and it does have a pretty nice blade. It's really hard to replace something like pliers and then also wire cutters. For a lot of what I do, a multi-tool is overkill. When I'm out in the backcountry, I always have a Swiss Army knife, the classic, the little tiny one. I might also have some kind of folding locking blade or a fixed blade knife. It really depends what I'm doing and what I think I might need. Didn't catch anything today. Nothing like the beautiful brown trout that my son caught exactly here just the other night. If you have any non-negotiables, pieces of gear that you bring on every single trip, let me know in the comments and I'll see you next time.